Assalamu alaikum children. Today is Monday, 27th April 2020, and before starting today's lesson, let's take a look at what was the homework on Friday. On Friday, I gave you to write down opposites of few words in your workbook, and let's see how can you do that. Small, big, large can be opposite of small as well. Heavy, light, cold, hot, fair, dark, sharp, blunt, bright, dull, in, out, over, under, rich, poor. So I'm sure that all of you have done that correctly. Now it's time to start our today's lesson. Alright, so what are we going to learn today? Today we are going to learn alphabetical order. What is alphabetical order? Alphabetical order is to arrange the alphabets in their correct order. So for this one, let me show you this flashcard. Alright, in this flashcard, what do you see? Yes, all of these are alphabets. These are English alphabets, and as you can see that all of these alphabets are written in their specific sequence. आप देख सकते हैं कि सब alphabets अपनी एक sequence में, अपने एक order में है, अपने एक तरतीब में है. For example, C comes after B and A comes before B, and then D, E, F, G, H, I, and so on till Z. So this is alphabetical order, जिसमें alphabets जो है English के वो arrange होते हैं. So alphabetical order is to arrange the words according to their first letter. For example, let's take a look at this list of words: apple, box, cat, drum, eagle. We cannot place eagle first because in English alphabets, as you can see that first letter क्या है? A. So इस list में हम उन words को पहले write करेंगे जो alphabetically alphabets में first place पे आते हैं. A, B, C, D, E. Because ये list हमने arrange की है alphabets के correct order के according. So as you can see that कि ये हमारे पास एक लिस्ट थी. अब इसको प्रैक्टिस करते हैं हम by looking at another list. Alright, let's take a look at this one flashcard. As you can see that apple, butterfly, cup, dog, fish, goat, house, and eyes. All of these are words arranged by the correct order of their first letter, as you can see that. Now, if the first letter of each word is the same, then what do you have to, how do you look up the word in the dictionaries? So for this one, अगर first letter बिल्कुल same है हर word का, for example, actor is beginning with A, ant is beginning with A, apple is also beginning with A, and artist is also beginning with letter A. Then we see the second letter. फिर उसके बाद अगर फर्स्ट लेटर सेम है, then we see the alphabetical order of the second letter. फिर हम second letter के according उसको list में arrange करते हैं. For example, actor. Why we have placed actor before ant? उसकी reason ये है कि हमने actor को ant से पहले क्यों write किया है? Because A, B, C में C comes first, then N. A, B, C में पहले C आता है English alphabets में, then N, and later P, and finally R. So that's how we arrange our words according to their alphabetical order. Alright, now I request you to open up your workbook page number 6. Alright, this is workbook page number 6, and write down the day, Monday, 27th April 2020. Alright, now let's read this out. Arrange these lists alphabetical order. First, find the word that does not fit in the list and cross it out. अब हमें यहाँ पे A, B, C. We are given with 3 lists. हमारे पास 3 lists हैं word की, और हमसे ये भी कहा जा रहा है that there is one word that is odd one out. एक word है जो इनमें सबसे different है, odd one है, और आपने उसको भी point करना है. Now let's see how can we do that. First of all, इसको alphabetically arrange करने के लिए we will read out all the words. Colin, Zaid, Quetta, Nick, Hassan, Maryam, Ali. As you can see that Colin is the name of a person, Zaid is also name of a person, Nick, Hassan, Maryam, Ali, and all of these letters, words are written with capital letters. It means all of these naming words, all of these nouns are proper noun. So when you see that all of these nouns are proper noun, and Quetta is also a proper noun, but it is not a name of a person. It is a name of a place. Yes, so this one, Quetta, is odd one out. So you can highlight this or you can cross it out like this. Alright, Colin, Zaid, Nick, Hassan, Maryam, Ali, these are the proper nouns and these are the name of persons, and Quetta is the name of a place. It is the name of the name of a city. Now let's see how can we arrange that in alphabetical order. As you know that, which is the first letter of alphabets? Yes, Ali, A. A comes first, then B. There is no any word starting from B in this list, so we will move on to third letter, that is C. Colin is beginning with C. Then we will place Hassan, Nick, Maryam, Quetta, and on last Zaid, because last letter is Z. In alphabets, last letter is Z. So that's how you will arrange that. This list according to their alphabetical order. Then B. Any, some, few, bank, lots, only, every. Alright, what is the odd one out? Again, bank. Why? Because it is the name of a place. And any, some, few, lots, only, every. These are the qualitative adjectives. ये बता रहे हैं किसी चीज़ की quality कि वो number उसका क्या है. So यहाँ पे odd one out है bank. So now we are going to arrange this list alphabetically. Any, bank. A, B, E, every, few, lots, only, and some. हमने इसका first letter देखना है कि A, B, C के alphabets में arrange क्या है और उसके according हम इसको write down करेंगे. Then let's see list C. Boat, bring, basket, bell, bison, bullet, and bus. So which one is the odd one out? Exactly, bring, because that's a verb. So that's how we will first of all identify the odd one out word, and then we will arrange the words according to their first letter. As you can see that all of the words in this one list are beginning with the same alphabet, B. So what I told you, yes, when the first letter is same one, then we can arrange the words according to their second alphabet. हम इसका second alphabet देखेंगे. O, R, A, E, I, U, U. Alright, so basket, bell, yes, right. Alright, so that's how we will arrange all of the words in list C. Alright students, that's how we have arranged the words according to their alphabetical order. And after this, I'm going to teach you that how to look up the words in the dictionary, because alphabetical order को हम use करते हैं when we have to search words in the dictionary. So for this one, I would like all of you to keep up a dictionary with you, because it is very important. You can keep a pocket-sized dictionary or a student dictionary. Alright, let me show you this. This is Little Oxford English Dictionary. Now we are going to attempt the C part of the workbook using a dictionary. The dictionary is a useful book. In a dictionary you can find the meaning of a word and how to spell it or how to say it. Dictionary is a very helpful book. Dictionary की help से हम अपने different words के meaning search कर सकते हैं. We can find out the correct spellings as well, and along with that हम ये भी पता चल सकता है हमें कि वो जो वर्ड है उसकी प्रोनाउंसिएशन किस तरह से देनी है. ये सब चीज़ें हमें किससे पता चलती हैं? विद द हेल्प ऑफ डिक्शनरी. सो हियर आर वी हैव 3 words: giraffe, oyster, and stag. Excuse me. So as you can see that we are given with the pictures as well. Of course you can identify this one animal is giraffe, that's shell, and that's stag. We can write that here. We can identify these pictures and we can write down the names, but we have to see the meanings in the dictionary. So how can we look up the meanings of different words in the dictionary? That's what I'm going to teach you now. For this one, all you need is a good pocket size upgraded dictionary. आपको एक dictionary चाहिए. Now let's see giraffe. Giraffe. As all of you know that giraffe is a long neck and that's a leaf eater African animal. So अब हम इसका meaning dictionary में कैसे search करते हैं. You see this is a dictionary और आप देख सकते हैं यहाँ पे सब alphabets write किए हैं. A, B, all the alphabets. क्योंकि ये हमें बताते हैं कि इस alphabet से beginning होने वाले word इस list में यहाँ पे available हैं. So we are looking for giraffe. How do you spell giraffe? G-I-R-A. Alright. A, B, no. We gotta move to G. D, no. E, F. We are very close. Now, G. G-E, no. We have to move to G-I. Alright. Alright. Now, let's take a look at this one. Giraffe. Yes. G-I. Yes, as you can see that, let me show you closely. Giraffe. Giraffe is a noun, alright, and it's a large African animal with a very long neck and legs. Alright, that's how you can see the meaning in the dictionary. So whatever the meaning you find in your dictionary, जो भी आपको meaning मिलता है, आप उसको यहाँ पे अपनी workbook पे write down करेंगे. Alright, like this. Then we have oyster. Alright. We have to move on. G, H. This word is called entry word. ये जो word आता है हमारे पास, इसको हम कहते हैं entry word. और उससे related details हमारे पास यहाँ पे given है. Then let's move on to oyster. N-O-P-Q. Alright. Alright. Now, oyster. O. Yes, C. Let me show you closely. Oyster. Oyster is a noun, a shellfish with two hinged shells, some kinds of which are edible. Oyster is actually an edible sea creature. It is found in sea. ये sea में मिलती है हमें अक्सर इनमें से जो kind है उसकी वो edible और इसके अंदर pearl भी होता है. So that's how you will look up the words in the dictionary. And now let's take a look at the diary. Today's diary is practice alphabetical order. Use a dictionary to look up meaning of words as homework. And for this one homework, you have to write down your meanings on workbook page number 6. Alright. Thank you very much for joining us. Look after yourself. Stay home. Stay safe.